Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable SSH access in Hostinger shared hosting. Enabling SSH access is a crucial step for developers and tech enthusiasts who want secure command line access to manage their websites more effectively. Let's dive in and take this step-by-step journey together. First, navigate to Hostinger's website by opening your preferred internet browser and typing in hostinger.com. Or alternatively, you can use hpanel.hosting.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, simply head over to the Login section and enter your credentials to gain access. Once logged in, locate the Manage button, which is your gateway to accessing your website's dashboard. By clicking on Manage, you'll be taken under the hood of your hosting account. Here, a range of features and settings are available, allowing you to customize and control various aspects of your website. Next, look for the Advanced Settings option. This is where the real magic happens, packed with tools for those ready to step beyond the basics. In the Advanced Settings menu, find the SSH access option. SSH, or Secure Shell, is essential for secure access to your files and commands on a remote server, ensuring that transmitted data is encrypted and secure. After clicking on SSH access, you'll see an option to enable it. Click on Enable SSH access. By doing so, you're allowing your account to connect securely to your hosting server via SSH, unlocking a new level of control and flexibility over your files and server management. Finally, you'll be given the choice of how to log into SSH. Hostinger provides a range of options tailored to different needs and preferences. Some might prefer using an SSH client like PuTTY, while others could opt for a direct terminal command. Choose the method that suits you best. And with that, you're all set. And there you have it. SSH access is now enabled. With these instructions, you're equipped to leverage SSH's power for your web development needs, enjoying the peace of mind that comes with secure and encrypted connections. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll find it's a breeze to manage your hosting account with Hostinger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.